rubber boots, daghan kay kuha ko dito ang disasters. In fact, I'm sure you know that it was just a division. It was in the department. It's only when I took office that we made it to a division, to a department.
That's right.
So now we're procuring for your things. So,
More equipment.
Ano,
Based sa directive ni Governor ni BBM, pag-ari niya, tagang instruction ng mga LGUs na di na pabalikon ang mga namuyo diha sa mga riverbanks. Especially sa Talisay nga thousands of families nga na demolish tungod atong baha. Kung sa support nga extend nga to sa provincial government ini mga LGUs nga badly affected, especially ini pag-relocate ini ang mga affected residents.
you know, right now we are really talking close coordination with the DNR because we're looking into properties somewhere in Talisay and in Medianilla na amo yung mga properties diha agriculture pero wala pa agriculture la pero wala siya mga trees ba. Yeah, we look into it. We will ask the president or have a declaration na pwede siya na
Long-term measure ni siya daw.
yes, it's a long-term measure. Probably make a township there para, may mabolsan siya. So, muna ang bilang out.
Message pa nga affected sa bagyo sa Bergina.
Yes,